Today I'm going to show you how to justify text in Figma in just a few seconds. This is a super quick text formatting trick, but it's really useful when you want your layout to look cleaner, more balanced, and more professional. Whether you're designing a website mock-up, a presentation slide, or a social media graphic, knowing how to justify text can help your typography feel much more polished. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Figma tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and go to the text box you want to format. To justify the text, you need to make sure the entire text is selected. The easiest way to do that is to double-click inside the text box. When you double-click, Figma will highlight the text so you can apply formatting to the full block instead of only changing part of it. If needed, you can also drag to select all the text manually, but double-clicking is the fastest method. Once everything is selected, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl, Alt and J on Windows or the equivalent shortcut on your keyboard to justify the text. As soon as you press it, Figma will change the alignment so the text stretches evenly across the line width. This gives your paragraph a neat justified look, which is especially helpful for longer blocks of text. If you're not seeing the result you expected, make sure the text box is wide enough to show the justified alignment properly. Justified text works best in paragraph-style text areas, not very small text boxes with only a few words. You can always resize the text frame if you need a cleaner layout. And that's it. You've now learned how to justify text in Figma using a simple keyboard shortcut. It's a fast trick, but it can make a big difference in the overall appearance of your design. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy design tips and Figma shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.